Hey folks, I have a little soprano ukulele to show you today. This is a stock instrument. It's available for sale at the website. I've been working on it for like months, just randomly here or there. The inspiration for it is this piece of wood that's on the back and the sides. It's called Japanese elm or Silkova, and our friend Chris got it from the Japanese gardens in Portland. And so when I started this piece of wood is the starting point. I really went forward with two ideas from Japanese aesthetic culture in mind. The first is wabi-sabi, of course, which really features the natural wild look of certain kinds of woods, this like pale muted color palette, and the embrace of imperfections. The second thing is shibui, which is just understated elegance, just simplicity as beauty. So those are my ideas going forward. So to start with, we've got this Japanese elm back and sides, and then I picked a cypress top, some sort of yellow cedar. I'm still not sure which exactly this one is, and the neck is Port Orford cedar to match. And these two kinds of yellow cedar or cypress are really close cousins to the Japanese yellow cedar that's used in all the temples and things. So I thought that would be fun to include. And this is the cypress that I got from across the river, where we're still not exactly sure which yellow cedar / cypress it is, so I'm not arguing about it at the moment. I just really like the look of it and the sound. Put a little pistachio rosette, pistachio binding everywhere, and a kind of dark and streaky pistachio fretboard and headplate. It's got a radius fretboard, bone nut and saddle, geared tuners, fluorocarbon strings, 12 frets to the body, and it's my little soprano design. Yeah, and it's just really sweet and charming. Trying to go for that, like, I want that bright and sparkly soprano sound that's vintage, but I want a little depth and tone too, so I think we're doing pretty good with that. So there it is, 893, and it's going to be available on the website soon. Cheers, thanks.